What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys my analysis on cryptocurrency for this week. There's gonna be some free signals in that analysis so you guys can enter some trades based off what I'm gonna tell you. Right now, we all know Bitcoin is in a pretty big bull run. It's gone up about $7,000 in this last couple of days. So let's see exactly what's gonna happen in the near future. Also, before we start the video, I wanna make a special announcement because I actually hit one of my dream milestones this weekend. I bought my first exotic car. I bought my first Ferrari. So if you guys want to see some videos with that car, leave some comments down below and let me know. The official paperwork is right in here, but forget about this. Let's talk about Bitcoin right now. All right, so we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily to have a better picture of what's going to happen this week, guys. So we can see right now that it is approaching a pretty decent resistance zone labeled by our volume profile right here. So we can see that in this area, right around this area here, which is a little rectangle so we can draw it out, we have a very good supply zone right here, right? This is a very good supply zone. So we could see the price of Bitcoin potentially fall around this area. And even the EliteAlgo indicator is giving us an X right here. So it's telling us that this right now could mean a possible reversal around this area. So what I could see happening for Bitcoin is this, guys. So just something you guys can pay attention to. If you guys are looking to kind of like catch a reversal, possibly, you can probably see the price come back down and reverse into this area right here between 24,000 and 22,000, I would say, before continuing back up on its bullish behavior. So over here, as we can see, if we were to draw a trend line connecting these two right here, let's make that white just so you can see it a little bit better. Right now, you can see the price can come back down into this box, into this trend line before continuing to go back up. And this could be a real Bitcoin bull run. So we could end up seeing Bitcoin go back up into the 30,000s or 40,000s around this area very, very soon, guys. So if you guys want to invest in Bitcoin, this is not too late. You should probably invest right now. And if the price keeps going down after you invested, all you should do really is just dollar cost average down and keep buying as much as you can every single paycheck or something, because I guarantee that in the near future, the Bitcoin price will go up. And if not in the near future, you're pretty much guaranteed to get to see a $100,000 Bitcoin with 3 to 4 years. So for sure, 100%, you can make some money trading Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at some other cryptocurrencies to see how they're looking as well. All right, guys, looking at Dogecoin right here on the daily chart, this is what's happening right now. The current price is about 7 cents and a half, and we have some major resistance around the 8 cents and a half area. So roughly right here, if we could see the price of Dogecoin break past this trend line and then come back down to retest, we can probably see Dogecoin go back up all the way to 14 cents. This is where the next major resistance is. So right now it's looking pretty bullish. We just want to see if it could break this trend line. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So looking at Ethereum right now is looking honestly extremely bullish. It looks really good because as we can see right here, the price broke past the last resistance. And now this resistance is support. So this right here can potentially hold the price up for Ethereum. And if we're looking for the upside potential, we don't really see any major resistance until the $2,400 to $2,500 mark. So honestly, I'm looking at this right now and I'm thinking that Ethereum is looking pretty bullish. So if I was you, this is also something that I could be investing in as well. And actually, I am invested in Ethereum. I have about $65,000 Canadian invested in Ethereum. So I'm not telling you guys to do something that I wouldn't do myself. And now the last one I want to talk about, guys, which is Solana. And this one's actually very interesting because we can see a major trend line that's being built ever since November 2021, guys. And right now, if it can break this trend line, we don't see resistance until the $33 mark, which could mean a pretty decent gain. And if it breaks past the $33 mark, then it can go all the way back up to around $80. So this right now is looking pretty good as long as it breaks this trend line right here. So what we want to see is the price break this trend line, come back down to retest, and then see some bullish signals, maybe like an engulfing candle, or we get a buy signal on EliteAlgo, something of that nature. And then we can probably see a nice bull run for Solana as well. That's pretty much it for the analysis. If you have any questions down below, or you want me to give you guys some analysis on different cryptocurrencies next time, leave them down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe. I'll make more videos like this almost every week as soon as I can.